Today I'm gonna be showing you how you can enable no fill on Fortnite. And this means that if you choose duos or squads or trios and click no fill, you're not gonna be with any other people. You're gonna be alone against the duos, trios and squads. So let's start off by choosing one of these. I'm gonna choose Battle Royale, where I can press play. I also have this ranked off solo game mode on, so I'm gonna click that, and as you can see here, everything comes up: duo, trio, squad and solo. And I'm gonna click duo, and now you can see it says fill. That means I'm gonna be playing with other people, and what I need to do to turn this off is click this again, and then you can see here team fill. It's a very small text. However, if you just click on F or just tap on this with the mouse button like that, now at no fill. So that means you're gonna be playing solo versus duos. And that was it. Easy as that. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please consider liking the video, subscribe and leave a comment. Bye.